everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Expida, and for today's video, we're here at the airport. Naiya Terminal 1 pa lang naman. So, I'm with my family pero incomplete because daddy has work. So, here's my mom.
Hi!
Nay!
Mag-hi ka!
And Email. So, we're currently waiting lang. Ay, 8:55 pa yung boarding. It's currently what? 8:03 pa lang. It's our first time to travel the country again. So, I had to revisit kung anong ginagawa nga sa airport. So, 3 days before your flight, you have to register sa e-travel. May marireceive kayong QR code. And after that, diretso na kayo sa airport terminal. You're gonna pay the travel tax here na sa airport, pero meron kayong choice na magbayad online. Pero may additional na 50 pesos. Tapos, check-in nyo na yung baggage nyo. After that, immigration na. Tapos, security checkpoint na. Tapos, pwede na kayong pumunta sa gate number. Wait na lang kayo for boarding, and that's it.
This can be found under your seat or inside your center console.
We're now in Bangkok, guys.
How's the airplane ride though?
I get so busy, kasi it's my first time again. So, pupunta kami ngayon sa A21 to get our baggage. Grabe, nasa A3 pa lang kami. Ang tagal pa daw namin. A3 pa. A21 pa, guys. So, tingnan nyo naman yung airport nila. Sobrang laki.
Super. You know what it is? It's Ramp G.
Ayan, dito kami. And we're just waiting for the baggages to come. Hi, inay! Dito po tayo sa nating to declare. Hi! Grabe, sobrang laki niya. Grabe. Ayan, you just gotta read the signs. Basta kailangan pumunta kayo dun sa may arrivals. Tapos immigration. Tapos baggage. So, si Naninang sa satellite terminal daw bumaba. So, nag-train pa sila papunta dito sa main terminal. Kami naman nasa main terminal pero malayo. My gosh, we're here at Bangkok. Kanina pa nga kami nasa Bangkok. Wow, ang ganda naman ng airport service. Oh my God, this is so nice. From the airport to the hotel, 30 minutes daw according to the Google Maps.
nakapangit ako.
Ay, grabe siya. 18 floor yung lobby.
Ayan ang 18, no?
This is Thailand's tallest hotel daw. Grabe naman. Ay, ang ganda, guys. Grabe, di ko kinaya. Check-in. Mag-check-in muna sila. So, ito guys, yung isa pang hotel, Bayoke, Suit ata yan. Ayan, outside of our hotel. We're in the 18th floor. Wow. Yun yung all you can eat fruit buffet. 18th floor din, guys. Tapos meron daw free welcome drinks and snacks ang may priority pass. Oo, section closed. Hi! Oh my God! Ang ganda, guys! Ano to? Golf something? Oh,
Welcome to Thailand.
oh cheers! Masarap. Parang grape juice. Tatlo na? O, dito kayo. Wow. Doon kami sa mga inain. Wow, grabe.
Is yours.
Thanks. Wow.
Kasi kung ilay doon tayo sa kanila.
Hi, this is the other room.
Yeah.
Excuse me, ma'am. Oh, ayan. We have bathtub here. And then, big mirror. Shower. Ayan. Oh, let's go. Closet. Ayan. Tapos, the view. We'll be eating here sa Sky Coffee Shop because of the menu Thai cuisine. So, we'll be trying kasi hindi pa nagla-lunch. So, ayan. The menu.
Sasamahan daw na.
Ano? Food set. Dim sum. Merong a la carte. Tapos yung sa taas, mga buffet. Ganyan. Hey guys, we're eating na. I'm having baked chicken. Daniel's having chicken masamang curry. Chicken din. Wala may inay. Mommy's having braised pork. Ninang's having braised beef. Sobrang laki ng serving ng rice nila.
Mukha, pork.
So happy kasi chicken. Chicken is life. You wanna try?
Kaya kong gawin.
Napasabak po sila. Sobrang hanghang daw po. So, mahanghang daw to guys. Tolerable ng konti. It's yummy. You know the love, my love for egg. Pero yummy siya guys. Wag mo lang kainin yung mga sili-sili. Pero yung oil, okay.
Tigan mo na daw kung kapkun ka, wabi ka. Parang kalamay.
We're now trying the mango sticky rice. Tingnan natin kung masarap.
Yung pa oh. Yung pipika-pikahin mo.
Ano to? Coconut.
Po.
Parang bacon.
Oh.
101/10. Because you know, favorite ko ang bacon. So, yan. Grapes with passion fruit.
Para naman ang baby ng Neotoy.
Checking muna, boss.